Fix Microsoft Store not installing any apps. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. In Windows search, type was reset and press enter. Wait till a black window shows up, do not close it. Once it's gone, the Microsoft Store should restart. Try using the store again. If that didn't work, the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter is a built-in utility in Windows designed to diagnose and resolve issues related to the Microsoft Store and its applications. If that didn't work, incorrect time and region settings can cause synchronization issues with the Microsoft Store. Type PowerShell in Windows Search, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, sometimes, creating a new user account can resolve issues with the Microsoft Store, as the problem might be specific to your current user profile. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.